$2,500 can be considered to be the average price for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in the Brickell market, which leads you to the next logical question of exactly what am I getting for those $2,500, Steven? And friends, I'm glad you asked that, because in today's video, I'll be taking you on a property tour to go see a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo in Brickell for, you guessed it, $2,500. And my goal is that by the end of this video, it will share with you some light as to what you can expect to receive for those $2,500 and whether it's worth it to you or not. So look, we got a lot to get into, and I'm not gonna talk about this any longer than I need to, so instead, I'm gonna jump straight into the property tour. So guys, follow along and enjoy. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another property tour video, and more specifically, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Steven Vargas. I'm a residential real estate agent in the downtown and Brickell areas of Miami. So if you're interested in knowing more about the Miami real estate and have questions about real estate in general, or more specifically, you want to see more property tour videos just like the one that you're seeing today, then do me a favor and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a new video, which just happens to be every single week. Now, moving on. In today's property tour video, like I mentioned earlier, we'll be seeing a property in Brickell, in the heart of Brickell, for $2,500, which is a great price for a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. But moreover, if you're a roommate and you're looking to save even more money, you can actually room with somebody at this price point for about $1,250 per person, which is just insane, because if you guys know anything about the Brickell market, a studio or a 1-bedroom is gonna start or cost you at around $1,500 to $1,600 for just a basic studio if you're lucky enough to find one. So at $1,250 per person, this is an actual steal with all the amenities and all the great things that this building is going to come with. I'm not going to spoil everything for you. There's a lot that I want to show you in the video. We'll talk about the neighborhood. We'll talk about everything that Brickell has to offer. But I think that if you're budget savvy, if you're looking to save a lot of money, this is the best time to do so, because the market is unfortunately saturated with a lot of development and a lot of units that have hit the market over the last few years. But that means that that's a great time for you as a resident or as a tenant to take advantage of some great rental deals. So without further ado, let's talk about 1060 Brickell. Let's talk about the Brickell market, and let me show you the first property, or the only property in this video that we're going to talk about today. But let's go ahead with the property tour. The walkability in Brickell is just insane, and the places to visit seem endless. Brickell has some of the best places to eat, so whether you're looking for a quick bite or a 5-star dining experience, you'll find them both on the same street. Easily navigate the city by jumping on the Metro Mover located on the exterior of the building, or enjoy the walk, as everything can be found within 5 minutes from one another. 1060 Brickell was built in 2008 and comprises of 2 towers, which contains 576 units. One of my favorite things about this building is that it sits right in between Brickell Avenue and South Miami Avenue, which are the 2 main streets in Brickell, and which both give you access to the building, making it very easy to get in and out of. Let's go check it out. So we made it into the unit, guys, and without further ado, I'm not going to bore you with all the specifics because I know everybody actually wants to see the property tour and not really my face. So I'm going to just give you the straight highlight points, the details of the property, and then you guys can enjoy the video. So to begin with, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, as I mentioned, but it also has a half bath, so your guests can actually use that bathroom and not your own bathroom. It's 1,268 square feet, which is pretty sizable for the actual neighborhood and the area itself. The tile, or the actual flooring, is mostly tile, with the exception of the bedrooms that happen to have a dark granite, or not granite, laminate flooring in each of the bedrooms. You also have southwest facing views, so it's mostly city views with partial bay view, which is like an added bonus, if you will. There is window treatments in every single one of the windows, and you have stainless steel appliances with a stackable washer and dryer. So that's possibly everything that you need to know about the property, anything that's pretty much important. So without further ado, let's go to the property tour, and guys, enjoy. So that wraps up another property tour in this property tour series. It seems like you guys are really enjoying this series. So if you have any special requests of any area that you're interested in or would like for me to make a video on or a future video on, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try to do my best to try to incorporate those areas into my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I honestly, truly appreciate every single fan or subscriber or viewer or whatever it is that you want to call yourself who watches me, because it means a lot, because I do put in a lot of time and effort in these videos, and the fact that somebody actually cares to watch them is actually pretty satisfying to know that. So anyways, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell. It would mean a lot to me as a content creator that you actually did that. So go ahead and do that and click the subscribe button. Anyways, guys, what more is there to say? I'll see you all next week. Ciao.